This is the last example of this lecture. So in this one, it is given that there is a deuteron which is accelerated through a potential difference, PD is potential difference of 500 volt. The potential difference through which a singly ionized helium atom is to be accelerated for same de Broglie wavelength. Okay. Now we know this formula. De Broglie wavelength is H by root 2m into q into v, where h is Planck's constant, m is the mass of the particle, q is charge of particle, and v is the potential difference. Okay. Now it is given that in both the cases de Broglie wavelength is same. So let's say for deuterium or for deuteron, it will be twice into mass of deuteron into charge of deuteron into potential difference. Okay. And for helium, de Broglie wavelength of helium will be h by root of 2 mass of helium charge of helium into v. Okay. Now it is given in the question that these are accelerated for the same de Broglie wavelength, means wavelength of deuteron and wavelength of helium is same, so we have to equate these two. So h by root 2 md qd v is equals to h by root 2 mass of helium charge of helium and into potential difference. Okay. Yeah. So from this equation h will get cancelled, so you will get root 2 mass of deuteron charge of deuteron into potential difference. Let's say this potential difference is potential difference Vt and this is potential difference Vhe. Vhe is the potential difference through which helium is being accelerated and Vd is the potential difference through which deuteron is being accelerated. Mass of helium, charge of helium into Vhe. Now we have to square on both sides, or you can say cancel out this one 2. Okay. So mass of deuteron, charge of deuteron, potential difference through which it is accelerated, mass of helium, charge of helium, and potential difference through which helium has to be accelerated. Okay. Now we know this relation that mass of helium is twice of mass of deuteron and charge of helium is twice the charge of deuteron. So let's substitute these values. Now we also know that Vd, the potential difference through which deuteron was accelerated, that was given as 500 volts. So I'm going to substitute that value here. So that is in place of mass of helium, I am substituting 2 into mass of deuteron. In place of charge of helium, I am substituting 2 into charge of deuteron into potential difference through which helium has to be accelerated. So these two terms will get cancelled. So you will get potential difference through which helium has to be accelerated will be 500 divided by 4. That will be 125 volt. So that will be our answer. That is option A. Okay. Thank you.